Hello students, welcome to the second video of Science Class 8 Chapter 12 Friction. Students, in previous video we learned about the force of friction. In today's video we are going to discuss about types of friction. So let us start. So before we start, we know about the friction, the force which always opposes the motion of one object over the another object in contact with it is called friction. फ्रिक्शन हमेशा ऑब्जेक्ट के मोशन को अपोज करता है और ये हमेशा जिस तरफ ऑब्जेक्ट मूव कर रही होती है उसके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में ही लगता है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. According to the state of motion of object, friction can be static, sliding and rolling. So first is static friction. The maximum frictional force present between any two objects when one object just tend to move or slip over the surface of other object is called static friction. For example, the frictional caused by the move or a stationary heavy box is the measure of static friction. In fact, static friction come into play when a stationary object is moved. Second is sliding friction. The frictional force present when one object slide over the surface of another object is known as sliding friction. The force of friction between two surfaces in the contact when one of them just slide over the other, that is also known as kinetic friction. The force required to keep a body in a motion is less than the force required to start the motion. This is because the irregularities on the surface of already moving object do not get sufficient time to entangle with the irregularities of other surface over which it is sliding. Therefore, sliding friction is less than the static friction. For example, sliding a mat or a box over the ground is easier than moving it directly. So we learn about rolling friction. The force of friction between the two surfaces in contact when one of them is rolling on the other is called rolling friction. For example, the friction between a ball rolling on a floor is rolling friction. Rolling friction is less than the sliding friction. Let's revise what we have learned today by answering the following questions. Question 1. Static friction comes into play when we try to move an object at option A motion, option B rest, option C both of them, option D none of them. And the correct answer is option B rest. Question 2. Sliding friction is dash than to rolling friction. Option A smaller, option B greater, option C equal, option D none of these. And the correct answer is option B greater. Question 3 is which of the following produces least friction? Option A sliding friction, option B rolling friction, option C static friction, option D composite friction. And the correct answer is option B rolling friction. Question 4. Four children were asked to arrange forces due to the rolling, static and sliding frictions in an increasing order. Choose the correct arrangement. Option A rolling, sliding, option A rolling, static, sliding, option B static, rolling, sliding, option C rolling, sliding, static, option D sliding, static and rolling. And the correct answer is option C rolling, sliding and static. Practice makes perfect. So students, it's time to practice and your practice homework are on your screen. Try to answer correctly. We will present soon. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching.